Me 4-in-1 Travel Essentials Organizer Bags. Free your hands and go to a easier travel. If your cup is too small to hold well, fasten it with the binding rope. Transparent zipper bag is touch control for tablet, phone, and Kindle. 2 installation ways, non-slip straps, can be fixed on the pull rod position you want. Or quick release zippers, easy to install and simple to remove. We've equipped the bag with a detachable shoulder strap that you can hang over your shoulder when you don't need it. This will make boarding and landing more easier. 2 bottle pockets and 4 zipper pockets in total. 2 small side pockets can hold credit cards. The front main pocket can hold tablets under 9 inches, tickets, power banks. Have a simple travel from now on.
Hello guys, welcome back to the VeeHive. So today guys, I want to show you how to clean your rugs in your home professionally. Well, like a professional, because I have several light color rugs in our house and I call over to Stanley Steamer. I'm going to say who they are. I call over to Stanley Steamer. The rug in the living room is a 9x12. The one in the dining room is probably the same thing. And also I have a smaller rug that I am going to be doing today, which I will be putting in my dining room for the spring, summer. So guys, I wanted to bring you this video because paying all this crazy money just to clean a rug is really crazy. So I'm gonna go through what I use in this. 2 of the products, well, 1 of the products are definitely if you have an off-white rug or you have a white rug. So the first thing guys that I use, this is my buddy, my pal. So this is it. So Folex, it is an instant spot remover. It removes pet accidents, grease, inks, red wine, coffee, blood, rust, food, cosmetics, dirt, grime, most old stains, excellent for upholstery. So this is what this is for. I purchased mine from Target for $6.99. So the next things guys is an easy peasy $1.25, and this is awesome. I have another light back there and I think that's causing me to have a little bounce. So here it is. That is the awesome bleach. So let me explain to you this. With the awesome bleach, it's not like your regular Clorox 2, okay? So if you have a white rug, you can use this. So in the process of me doing the rug that I am doing today, just like my living room rug, they are light Clorox too. And I know you like Vondessa. Yes, this is what I clean my rugs with. They come out absolutely beautiful. The rug we are cleaning today, guys, it is so nasty, okay? So I had this rug rolled up and put it in the car garage because I was like, when we get ready to do clean out, I'm gonna throw it in the dump. So when I decided to clean the living room rug, I discovered that, I can do the same thing with this rug. So no further ado, guys, I want to go ahead and show you what this rug look like up close. Also, let me go ahead and tell you guys, I will be using my Bissell Turbo Clean Power Brush Paint Pet Machine. So it's a Bissell. I love my carpet cleaning machine. I'm telling you, I love her. So let's go ahead, let me show you the rug, what it looks like, and let's put the solution together and let's get the clean. So guys, this is what this rug look like. It is beyond nasty. It is so nasty. And also that is my Bissell. That is what I will be using. So this is a very, very good machine. So here's Turbo Clean. I love this, love it. But this is, you can see it's grinder. This rug is super, super nasty. So let's get busy. So guys, this is the reservoir from my Bissell, and they let you know on here to fill it up here with water than here with formula. I do mine completely different and the outcome is always fantastic. Also, just like when you wash your dishes, you wash and rinse. I do the same thing when I am cleaning my rugs. So with this, you know, you can use this just straight like this, but I like to use mine also as a solution. So I'm going to show you about how much I am going to use. So we're about here. So I use that. So like I tell you, you can use this, you know, by itself, perfect. Also, I am going to use some of the awesome bleach. So adding this in, we're about right there. So the next thing you remember, it said to add water. So me doing it this way, guys, I can add the amount of solution I really want, but now I just add my hot water. Yeah, this is hot. So now here we are. So I'm going to just put the lid on it. Now time me to go ahead, put the reservoir on, and let's start cleaning our carpet. Guys, this is the rug. So let me zoom in so y'all can really see. It is absolutely so pretty and clean. Look at here. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. This rug does have a hue of like a yellow-ish color to it. but that is what it looks like. So let me go ahead and show you guys what this water looks like. Oh my goodness. So y'all, this is what the water looks like. So it was really, really filthy nasty. So see, that's the water. So okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this rug. My son is downstairs, so I'm going to have him to help me to put this rug outside in the sun, because the sun is beaming, and where I want to put it, I'm not putting it on the ground. We do have a table outside on the patio, so I'm gonna put it across there. So I'll probably give a good hour, it'll be fully dried, and that is what the rug is gonna look like, guys. So this is the way that you can clean your rug on your own professionally. I usually do a rinse job to the rug whenever I'm doing it, but I look and notice that I did not need to do a rinse job. So I'm gonna put the rug out. I'm not gonna quite in it yet. I'm going to go and put the rug outside. I'm going to let it fully dry. Then I'm going to come back to you guys to show you what it looked like. I'm going to vacuum it down, and I'm going to show you what the rug looks like afterwards. So I'll be back in about an hour. Okay guys, so it has been an hour. I had to run out, and my son brought it in for me. I asked him to bring it in for me. And guys, when I say this looks like a brand new rug, I will not lie to you. This rug looks brand new all over again. And I know you like, Vondessa, shut up. Let's see it. So here it is. So guys, here is the rug. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. When I say this rug was so nasty, and the look at it now, look at here. So pretty, so pretty. Love it, love it, love it. So, guys, when you get ready to clean your rug again, don't forget to get this. No, it's not sponsored, but I tell you, it works wonders. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Again, I will link this easy. Even if you have a spot on your floor, like you missing cut your foot and you didn't know it, you were on your carpet and the blood is on your carpet, you can spray that directly on there and it will resolve it. So easy. So guys, I'm getting out of here. Let me go edit this so you can get it on probably tomorrow. So guys, thank you for dropping into the VeeHive. This is the way that you can clean your carpet and your rugs like a professional. Much cheaper, $6.99. So guys, I'm out. Bye.